What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Xiaomi Theme Hub YouTube channel, where I share stunning Chinese exclusive themes that you can install on global Xiaomi phones. Just like my previous videos, today I'll show you another Chinese region theme that can be installed on global Xiaomi devices. In order to install China region themes on global Xiaomi devices, we'll need to use the backup and restore method. This backup and restore solution is compatible with Xiaomi phones from MIUI 13 to the newest HyperOS versions. Every theme shown in this video is packed into a backup file linked in the description below. Just download it and apply the backup and restore solution to get these themes running on your global Xiaomi device. In case you're unsure how to apply the backup and restore method, make sure to watch my detailed guide linked in the description of this video. Now, let's go through some of the key highlights of the themes included in this pack before applying them to your Xiaomi global phone. Every theme shown in this video is packed into a single backup file linked in the description below. Simply download the file and apply the backup method to install it on your Xiaomi global ROM device. If you're not sure how to do it, you can check out the tutorial video linked in this description. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.